Welcome back. This is Mr. Hassan's Maths channel. I'm now answering question number 20 from the May-June 2018 paper 2, variant 1 from the IGCSE 0580 syllabus. And this question number 20 is about probability. 20 part A says a box contains 3 blue pens and 4 red pens and 8 green pens. Okay, only, no other pens. A pen is chosen at random from the box. Find the probability that the pen is green. Well, the total number of pens is 7 plus 8, 15. And we see that 8 of them are green. So the probability of getting a green is equal to the number of greens, which is 8, over the total number, which is 15. So you get 8 over 15. That's in its simplest form. That's fine. And there's the answer for part A. Pretty simple. Part B, it says another box contains 7 black pens and 8 orange pens only. So again, we have 15 pens. That's orange. That's in case we think it's a number. It's O for orange. Okay. 2 pens are chosen at random. So now we got 2 pens are chosen without replacement. So now it's slightly different type of situation. Not just 1 pen is chosen, but 2 pens are chosen without replacement. Calculate the probability that at least 1 orange pen is chosen out of the 2. One of them has to be orange. So basically, we can think about this in the way of like thinking about it like if you want it in a tree. All right, just to explain it. I mean, you're going to have the first pick would either be black or orange. Then you have the second pick. Again, it can be black or orange. Depending on what happened in the first pick, it will be black or orange as well. Let me just move this out of the way. So the outcomes here are either you get 2 blacks, or you get a black and an orange, or you get an orange and a black, or you get 2 oranges. Okay, so we want at least 1 orange. So we want to have all of these combined outcomes. I want to find what these outcomes are. So the only outcome I don't need is this. So with probability, if there's a lot of different outcomes that you want to exclude, all right, there's only one outcome. Sorry, a lot of different outcomes that you want to include, and there's only one that you want to exclude. Then we can say that the probability of at least 1 orange is equal to 1 minus the probability of them both being black. Okay, so if you take away this from the total probability adds up to 1. So we're going to end up with all of these combined. So then I don't have to work them out separately. I can just consider finding what that is. It's much easier. And then take that away from 1. So it's going to be 1 minus. Now, the probability of picking a black in the first pick, you got 7 out of 15. So that's 7 out of 15. Times, now, without replacement. So now you've taken one of the black balls out. Okay, or the black pens out. Now there's only 14 pens left for you to choose from. And I'm finding the probability that the second one is also black. Okay, so that means there's 1 less black pen in the box. There's 1 less black pen in there because you've taken 1 black out in the first pick. There's now 6 black pens left. So that's going to be times 6 over 14. All right, so that is now, when I do 1 minus this would be the probability of picking 2 blacks. 1 minus this is the probability of everything else, which means either 1 black first or 1 black second, or 1 orange first, 1 orange second, or both oranges. That means at least 1 orange. So this will give us a calculation which would involve adding these 3 together in a quicker way. All right. So now we can simplify this before actually continuing. 7 goes into 14 2 times, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. We're left with and also 3 goes into 15 5 times. So you're left with 1 minus 1 over 5, which is 4 over 5. So the answer is 4/5. Now, if you look at the answer scheme, it gives you a fraction, which is unsimplified, which when you simplify, it gives you 4 over 5. You should give your answer in the simplest form. All right, don't worry about the mark scheme giving it in that. That's for the examiner. That's for the examiner's purposes to make sure that everyone's, at least if they've got it equivalent to what this is. So even if it's not, simplified, they know that the person has done the right thing. So don't worry about what it says in the mark scheme so much. If you want to be sure, just take the fraction they give you in the mark scheme and simplify it. You should give your answer in simplest form. Okay, so there's your answer for part B. And that concludes this question number 20 from the May-June 2018 paper 2 variant 1. Other questions from this particular paper will be found in the playlist that will appear in this part of the screen at the end of the video. Other questions dealing with probability from IGCSE Cambridge will be found in the playlist over here. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking on this link, and the video here will tell you how to use my channel to find what you're looking for. And also there will be a card at the top here. When you click that card, it will take you to all my IGCSE material that I have, and you can explore what I've got there for you to help you revise and stuff. So thank you for watching, and see you soon.